Another day, another story. Last time, we talked about some effective strategies to increase your willpower, like chunking tasks, boosting confidence, reshaping perceptions about willpower, modifying our identities, and engaging in high-level thinking. Today, we are going to explore how to tap into our seemingly limitless well of willpower. Imagine your willpower is like an ocean. On the surface, the water might seem finite. But, once we dive deep, we realize just how vast and limitless it is. The key to tapping into this boundless reserve? A combination of effective habits, positive mindset, and understanding how our brains work. Let's start with habits. You've likely heard the saying, we are what we repeatedly do. Our habits, therefore, form an integral part of our identities. Building good habits can help ensure we are making the most of our willpower, and not wasting it on mundane decision-making processes. Next, a positive mindset is crucial. Believe in your limitless willpower. Like a self-fulfilling prophecy, if you believe your willpower is endless, you'll find yourself able to persevere through tasks you previously thought impossible. Finally, understanding our brain's functions can greatly assist in tapping into that vast reserve of willpower. For instance, knowing that our brain naturally seeks to conserve energy can help us strategically plan our tasks and manage our energy levels better. In the following lessons, we'll be delving into each of these areas in greater detail, providing you with practical strategies and tips to effectively tap into your boundless willpower. Join me as we embark on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. And remember, becoming a patron not only supports our content but also gives you access to exclusive perks and benefits. Find out more via the link below. I'm excited to see how these strategies will revolutionize your life. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and until then, keep believing in the limitless power of your willpower. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our course. Catch you in the next lesson.